Hello students, so we're gonna see our next part, exercise 5.2. So before doing exercise 5.2 we will see what is implicit functions, because your 5.2 is totally that. Our implicit functions means where you have both your x plus y and suppose you have here like this too. Okay, so your x and y is at one part itself. Now your previous till your 5.1, how you have done? For you directly they had given y one side and you had here a sin x plus 2 whatever, like they had separated and they had given you directly. Here you differentiate and you would write dy by dx and you would get the answer. But this we call as explicit. Okay, this we call as explicit, where y is equal to f of x. Direct they'll give y, they will give, and f of x means a function we are differentiating. But in this section you see here they have not given you y in one side or x on the another. For this you have to do it either, see see here how you have y and other part you have kept on the other side. So you can go the same way. Y you should keep here, right hand side what it is 2 is there. So when I take my x here it becomes what? Minus x. So here you will get your y function, y is equal to 2 minus x. Then you can differentiate and you can do your dy by dx and you will get minus 1. Like this you can do. In your implicit you will be having mixed up only. Here you have to find out, or else directly keeping x plus y is equal to 2, here only directly you can differentiate. No need of keeping your y one side, means making free the terms from your y. Either you can do like this, like keep your term which is of y at one side and keep everything on the other side and then do the differentiate, or directly you can do the differentiation. Now if I differentiate this, your x differentiation means how I'll write d by dx of x, d by dx of x it is, right? And this will be what? Plus dy by dx, plus dy by dx equal to d by dx of 2. Here it is d by dx of 2. So differentiation of x with respect to x is what? Mind, this is 1, and here d by dx so remains as it is, because we have to find only what? Dy by dx, because differentiating they are asking you, so we have to find dy by dx, right? And differentiation of any constant 2 is a constant, right? So this becomes what? 0. Now we have to find dy by dx, so keep your dy by dx and whatever other term make it other side, because they are asking you to find dy by dx. So 0, when your 1 goes there it becomes minus 1. So dy by dx value you will get what? Dy by dx is equal to minus 1. So dy by dx you are getting as minus 1. So you have to do in such a way. Implicit means either you will be having the questions in the same, they will not give you like y at one part and the other terms at the other part. If you want to do keeping y at the one part and solve, you can go by this method, like keeping your y one side and any other terms other side, or directly you can just differentiate wherever the terms are, keep it exactly and you can differentiate it. Okay, just this is a brief. We will see now exercise part. So exercise 5.3, they are telling you find the dy by dx in the following. You have to find dy by dx. Now the first question is 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. They have given 2x plus 3y sin y. So we'll see solution, write it. So we have, first write the question, 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. Yes, this they have said, and they have said you to find dy by dx. So what we write it? Differentiating, write the sentence here. Differentiating with respect to x. See, you have to differentiate it with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, see here you have 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. So 2 to you keep as it is 2, because for 2 to you can't differentiate, into x it is, so d by dx For your first example, I am writing this all stepwise. In second examples and all, I won't write this, you have to understand. Plus again 3 you keep, because see, for this constants we are not supposed to differentiate. Into again y is what, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin x. Yes, of sin x, of x only it is. Now our next part will be 2 dx by dx is what, differentiating x with respect to x, we will get what, 1 plus 3, this is the same, dy by dx, because you have to find this only. Differentiation of sin x is, what, it is cos x. Go through the formulas. Now you got 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 dy by dx is equal to cos x. So you have got this, but here in the question they are asking you to find dy by dx proper. So keep your dy by dx at your left hand side itself. 3 dy by dx is equal to cos x. Take your 2 to the right hand side, so this becomes minus 2. They are asking you properly only dy by dx, we don't want 3 also. So 3 will come this side. If it is in such a way, this becomes your division, right? So this will be dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 whole divided by 3. So dy by dx you got cos x minus 2 divided by 3. So understood how we have to do? Keeping, if you want to keep, or either you can do like this, or if you want, now see here, this is 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. So as I had said you in your previous examples, how you had done, you had y term at one part and the other in your right hand side. You can do like that, 3y keep here itself, take sin x, and this also becomes what, minus 2x when it goes to the right hand side. So y will be what, sin x minus 2x whole divided by 3. Either you can do like this, you can consider like this and then differentiate, or you can keep like this only and you can differentiate. It is your wish, how you feel easier. Okay, we will go for the other problem. Next example, third one, ax plus by square is equal to cos y. Solution we have write it. Now differentiating with respect to x. Okay, so a differentiating of x with respect to x is 1 only, right? Dx by dx is 1 plus b d by dx and of y square, differentiating y square is equal to d by dx of cos y. Okay, so here you can see it is y square. Yes, y square, you have y square means it will be how? Yes, if it is y square means it will be x raised to n form, right? X raised to n is what? N x raised to n minus 1. But this is, we are considering as a chain rule. Why? Because you have y. In place of x you have y. So we'll see how we will do. So a into 1 will be a plus, first it will be what? Y square. So x raised to n. X raised to n will be n x raised to n minus 1. Your n is what? B I have here. Write down the b. Write b. You have your n is what? 2. Y raised to n minus 1 is 1 only, right? 2y. See, n x raised to n minus 1. Here x is what? Y. But in place of x you have y. So another it will be what? dy by dx into dy by dx you are having, right? Because in x place is taken by y and you are differentiating with respect to x in your chain rule. When you are doing like that and you have different term, you will get again interior differentiation of that is equal to, here also you see you have differentiation of cos y. Okay, differentiation of cos x, you know, differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x. So this will be minus sin, your x is what? Y, into again y differentiation will be dy by dx, because this is also your chain rule, because your x place is taken by y. You know the differentiation of cos x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x, but here in place of x it is y. So again you have to differentiate it. So that will become dy by dx. So here you will be having a plus you have b into 2y dy by dx is equal to minus sin y dy by dx. So here also one dy by dx you have, here also you have dy by dx. So this both keep it at one side. So I am taking it to the right hand side. So you will be having a is equal to minus sin y dy by dx. So this is plus b2y dy by dx. So when it comes here it becomes minus 2by I am writing, 2by dy by dx. Okay. So next a, in this both common is what? Dy by dx. So dy by dx you take as a common, dy by dx. Remaining is what? Even y you have as a common, it's okay. You are remaining with minus sin y minus 2by. Yes, minus sin y minus 2by. You have to find only dy by dx value. So dy by dx, a you have here, this whole it will go to the division, right? This whole part will go here, means it becomes division. So a by it becomes a by minus sin y by minus 2by. Therefore a divided by minus sin y minus 2by is equal to dy by dx. Yes, this properly if you want you can write as dy by dx is equal to a by minus sin y minus 2by. So this is your answer. You have next question, xy plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. Same way we have write it differentiating with respect to x. So you are differentiating dy by dx of xy plus d by dx y square is equal to d by dx tan x plus y. Okay, we have written what we have to do, differentiating we are telling with respect to x, so we have written it. Now here you see you have x into y. X into y means here which rule we have to apply? U into v. This is u into v you have na. Here u into v you have. So u into v product rule is what? What it tells? U into v is equal to, keep your u, differentiating your v, then plus v differentiating your u. This is your rule, right? This is your rule. U into v when you have seen in a previous also exercise 2 you have done in such problem. U, keep your u as it is, differentiate your v, plus keep your v as it is, differentiate your u. So next step we have done the same. I am considering x as u and y as v. So first keeping my x as it is, differentiating y, so dy by dx, plus v is what? Y, keeping your v as it is and differentiating your u. So y, differentiation of x is what? 1. So this became finished. Now we are heading to the second one, differentiating y square. Y square, how it is? X raised to n form, right? X raised to n form, but here x value is what? Y, and x raised to n is what? N, x raised to n minus 1. Here n is what? 2. Y, 2 minus 1 is raised to 1 into again dy by dx. Remember here it is y. If you have here x, you will get only 2x directly. But here you have y, and y means it comes in your chain rule because y has taken the place of x. So again y you have to differentiate is equal to, here you see you have tan x plus y. So this is your rule, u plus v. U plus v. So this differentiating u plus v, if you have u plus v, how we differentiate? Du by dx plus dv by dx separately. These are separately, right? So separately differentiating for tan x, separately differentiating for y. So differentiation of tan x is secant square x. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. Okay. So now you see here one dy by dx terms you have, here dy by dx, here dy by dx, here. So what we have to do? Grouping our dy by dx at one part and others to the other part. So what am I going to do? Bringing this dy by dx here and y sending it to the other side. So I'll be having x dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx. When it comes here, this becomes minus dy by dx is equal to, here you have secant square x, and when y goes here it becomes minus y. Y into 1 is y. So next what we have to do, take dy by dx common. In 3 also it is common. So dy by dx, if I have taken common, I will be left with here x, here I have plus 2y, and here I have minus 1. If nothing is there means it is 1, right? Is equal to secant square x minus y. We just want our dy by dx. What do you mean by dy by dx? So taking it to all to the right hand side, but this will go to the division part. So you get dy by dx is equal to secant square x minus y whole divided by x plus 2y minus 1. So this is your final answer. Please make sure that if you have any doubt you clarify it. When you have your y term, you have to go for a chain rule, dy by dx you get. Okay, thank you.